scrubs at the beginning of my videos. With quarantine happening, there's these memes going around, people saying that when everyone's gonna come out of quarantine, they're gonna look really not their best because salons are closed, nail salons are closed. I don't know if people get like facials, I don't know, whatever, salons closed. Beauty gone. At this moment, does it really matter what you look like? Probably not. At this time, looks is like the least important thing that you should be worrying about, but I have been in self-isolation for like a month and a week. I'm tired of looking bad at home. I don't know if it's just me. If I don't feel good, look good, I cannot be productive, which is really sad and not ideal, but I just prefer to be feeling my best so that I can work my best and do my best, whatever. So this week, I was like, I'm gonna take a day to do every possible thing I can to glow up, look better than I have been looking recently. So I made a list. There's a lot of stuff on there. Tinting my eyebrows, lifting my lashes, self-tanning. I'm gonna take a, nice relaxing bubble bath here. Do a face mask, do my nails, do my makeup. So stick around. Didn't make the water too hot because I actually hate when water is like too hot and then you're just in the bath just like cringing. But I'm gonna play some Italian music if you didn't know this about me. One of my favorite genres of music is just like Parisian jazz, Italian jazz. Really gets me in my mood. All that TikTok indie songs, that is my vibe. I'm using this Glam Glow Super Mud Clearing Treatment. Okay, face mask is done. So our plan of attack. I'm going to exfoliate my whole body, shave my whole legs, and then we're gonna tan tonight. I'm gonna be using the St. Ives exfoliator. I use it on my face too. Done shaving, exfoliating. That took way too long. I'm gonna quickly get out, rinse myself in the shower because this is a lot of bubbles and weird stuff. I am done. I am out. I feel refreshed. I feel good. I feel bare. I need to put clothes on. Ooh, I did my after shower skincare routine for my face, but I'm gonna be doing a skincare routine video soon, so not showing that just yet. Next thing on our agenda though is to get these brows looking on fleek. I haven't done them in like 3 weeks. They're very ingrown and they're kind of hard to fill in when they're like ingrown, so I need to get that going. I've got my tools here with me. I have tweezers, mini scissors, of course an eyebrow spoolie. This is disgusting, but we don't need to talk about that. And I have this face razor. I'm gonna use this to go around my eyebrows and shave the peach fuzz off my face. I'm just gonna put a little bit of moisturizer on my face. I forgot to moisturize after my shower, and that is a vital step for the tanning routine. So I'm just gonna use this Aveeno Daily Moisturizer for my whole body, and I have this Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. This says fast tightening body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. So normally I use this on like my thighs and my bum and my stomach. We've got our next two items. We have the Just for Men mustache and beard dye. I've never actually tinted my eyebrows before, let alone with beard mustache dye, but I heard that a lot of people have done it and that it works really well. Lash Lift Eyelash Perming Kit. So you open it up, it looks like this. We've got false lash glue, and then there's 4, oh my god, 1 perm, 2 fixation, 3 nutrition, and 4 cleanser. And then you have some lip pads and some cleaning tools. First thing I'm gonna do is curl my eyelashes. I'm gonna grab one of these little squishy things, and then what you do is you grab the glue and glue it to the back of it. I feel like I'm gonna blind myself. I'm just gonna hold it like this for a bit. Next is putting glue all over my lashes and sticking them up. I'm in pain a little bit. And it says cover up with plastic wrap. This is what we're looking like right now. Finally done. That was such a tedious process. I'm gonna put the before and the after pictures. Honestly, I really like them. I think it was really fun. I don't have any eyelash tint, which is really annoying. I really wanted to, make them black, tint them, make them pop a little bit more, but when I put mascara on, it should be fine. Now it's time for dinner. I'm really excited. Next, we're going on to the brows. It comes with a color base and a color developer. This brush, which I'm not gonna use because it's like huge. I'm gonna be using this like tiny little slanted NYX brush. Mix equal parts of both the developer and the color.
Yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down? Yeah.
What I'm gonna do is put it on the tail part of my eyebrows for 3 minutes and then the inner part for 2 minutes. Okay, my camera died, but here's the reveal. Ooh, ooh, ooh. This is what they look like. If I go like this, you can see that the color's there. Here's the other side. I actually really like the way this eyebrow looks. I'll make sure to put like a before and after. It says to wash it off with shampoo, so I just got like any random shampoo and then just like rubbed on them and then put water in them and then we're done. It is currently like 10 p.m. and it's time to tan. I'm not going to show too in depth what I'm doing because I'm going to be using Loving Tan and I'm actually having a sponsorship with them, which is going to be posted after this video. I will be using 3 of their products today. The Loving Tan Deluxe Bronzing Mousse in the color Dark, Face Tan in Dark, Applicator Mitt. Changed my mind. Before going on to the tan first, I'm going to do a hair mask because this hair needs some revitalizing, rejuvenating. This mask is actually from Sephora. Okay, so I'm done tanning. I look kind of crazy. I'm not sure if I did this right. I might have done my face too dark, and if I did, then that's a major problem that we're gonna have to deal with tomorrow. I just woke up. I may have had there may be a problem in the way that I tanned. I look a few shades darker. I need to fix this. I'm gonna go take a shower. Okay guys, I switched into workout clothes just so that you can see the tan better. It smells so good. It was pretty easy application. Like, I like the color. I just didn't do it right because this is my first time using their products. My hands, not the right color at all. Put way too much on them. My feet were really bad, but then after showering, I got most of it off. And my face, it kind of looks like I have a beard. But anyways, I'm gonna go have breakfast and then we'll come back. Okay, so I'm sitting on my bed now, new location. This is the Crest 3D White Strips Professional Effect Dental Whitening Treatment. Apparently it's supposed to be really good. I'm gonna put this on and then wait for 30 minutes and just like edit. Okay, my timer's up. I didn't take a before picture, but honestly, I can see the difference. I might do that more often. Okay, the nails are done. Honestly, my nails are really small, so they kind of look like little circles. I literally broke this nail completely off a few months ago, but this is what they look like. Next is outfit. Human beings and not just pieces in a past that we can't read. With this new outfit, hair, makeup, body, we need to do a photo shoot. So I'm gonna go outside, take some pictures. Let's just say this was the before. And these are the results. Pull back the sheet. The worlds that we see don't always look the same. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned some things that you could do maybe if you're bored in quarantine or if you're needing a little self-care day. If you're watching up to this point in the video, thank you. Leave a comment down below. What is the #1 thing that you want to do when you get out of quarantine? Because I'm very interested in knowing. I'll see you guys next time.